Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a new text message to a group on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the latest update. Messaging on Pinterest has become more streamlined, making it easier than ever to connect with multiple people at once. So, let's dive right in and get your group conversation started. First, open Pinterest in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Among the options, click on Messages. This will take you to your inbox, where you can see all your current conversations. Now, to start a new group message, click on the New Message button. It's usually located at the top of the Messages panel. When you click this, a search bar will appear. Here, type the name of the first person you want to include in your group chat. Pinterest will show you matching profiles as you type. Just click on the correct one to add them. After selecting the first person, you'll see the chat window open. But since you want to create a group message, you'll need to add more members. Look for the option to search for the next name within the chat interface. Enter the next person's name, select them, and repeat this process until you have added everyone you want in the group. Once all your group members are selected, click on the Next button. This action will finalize your group chat setup and open a new conversation window where you can start typing your message. Now, simply type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat. When you're ready, hit Send. Your message will be delivered to all the members of the group, making it easy to share ideas, plans, or anything else you want to discuss. And that's it. Sending a new group text on Pinterest from your PC is quick and straightforward with this new update. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just chatting with friends, this feature helps keep everyone connected in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Pinterest.